Well, I thought I was going to have to change the Luna moths. Those are the final moths I've been raising. Still, again, it's on the same plant, Rustro labata, the three-leaf sumac. And I've got a caterpillar here I'll show you in a moment. This is the beautiful moth, the Luna moth. And here's a cocoon with it. This is a temporary box. It's hard to see the colors because it's on the white background. I say temporary because we're building wooden boxes with glass on each side so that you'll be able to flip them around and see front to back. And it's nice to show the cocoon, which we can do. So I've got some cocoons already that I've cut away. Let's try to get the light on that so you can see that cocoon. He's all wrapped up. And this is real silk, the same kind of silk that clothing is made of. And so we're going to, excuse me for just a moment, we're going to show you the second one that's made. It's not the same group of moths that are used for silk clothing because those are a different family of moths, but Bombyx mori, but they produce the same kind of silk, which is extremely strong, and we'll let them last through the winter and freezing temperatures. And so we're going to put these in the refrigerator in just a few days. I'm just waiting for them to finalize because they were just made. And you'll see, let's see if we can show you. There's a caterpillar. There's a cocoon that was made right on the side. So I have to leave that alone for a few days to solidify. What I might do, I don't want to change. Ooh, there's a cocoon being built right there. So it's really hard to manage them. What I might do, and I can't even show you this caterpillar unless I bring this close where you can see. Let's see if you can see him. There he is. You can barely see him in the cage. But if he's still hungry, there are leaves in there he can be eating. And additionally, I can just lay some leaves in the top, not even in water, just until they finish. But I'll leave that alone. When they harden up, I can gently peel or cut the cocoon off the screen. So that's the Luna moth, Actias luna. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's not get the glare on there so you can see. And the wonderful thing about mounting these for future reference, first of all, they don't feed as adults. And I think I've gone over that before. They don't feed as adults, so they only mate. And, do you want to throw them away, or should we display something so beautiful so we can see it for a very long time? So this is called a Riker box, Riker mount. And the wooden boxes, the wooden display boxes will be even nicer with a little brass plate saying the name of the species, Actias luna, with the cocoon. So that's pretty much all that I have, as if that's not enough. For right now, we're doing really well. Everything is going from egg to cocoon very successfully. And my work of collecting greens and washing them and doing all that work will be over soon. And it was a lot of work for a little while, but it's not forever. And that's the perspective you have to have if you're going to be raising these. It's super cool to see the different stages of their life cycle, the different instars. And my little labels, by the way, are just stickies that tell me when the eggs were laid. So just a little reference so I know the timing. Oh, and I know before I go, I wanted to show you. So these absolutely wonderful, this experience is now coming to a close with these absolutely magnificent hickory horndevil caterpillars, soon to be royal walnut moths. I'm going to keep them in the dark. He's already starting to expel some fluid. Here we go. Let's see if I can show you that. And I don't want him to come out, but he'll shrink up and in a few days become a pupa, a really big brown pupa. And when that happens, I'll make sure to take a picture and put it on the website and show you all what it looks like. So it's like going to another planet and visiting the life on the other planet. And anyway, it's almost as good. All these stages of life, different looks to the caterpillars called instars. And in the end, just an absolutely beautiful creature that you can't even imagine began as this weird green caterpillar, or even as the tiny egg that it begins as. It's hard to imagine all these stages of life. Okay, I'll post this up on our website, and more coming soon. Bye-bye.